Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. I do hope everyone is well. By the grace of Allah Ta'ala, I am well. So, for those of you that are existing subscribers, you are most welcome. If you are new to the channel, you are also most welcome. If you are new, please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notification of all videos that I produce. So welcome to this presentation, which is in the maths section and is particularly popular for 11 plus and SATs. So the topic is reading data from lists and tables. Okay, so the key skill, I think, for this particular topic is really reading things carefully. The actual maths is not that difficult. So before we go further, as always, the plea is please like, share and subscribe to the channel, particularly the subscribe. It's still rather disappointing. Please help in whatever way that you can for me to get to that 1000 mark, and also the viewing figures need to be improved. So as you know, we need 1000 marks, 1000 for subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time over a period of a year, and I think I'm quite a bit below the 4000 threshold as well. Okay, so let's introduce the topic. So today we're going to start on looking at data. So data is all around us in many places. So the examples here are news and adverts, and I would say in your everyday life as well. We'll be looking at using data and drawing conclusions and making decisions. So these skills are a big thing on the SATs and the 11 plus. So this would be a typical SATs question. So to the right is a receipt from a bike shop, so you need to look at it carefully. The first question that is posed is how much was each wheel. Okay, so nice easy question to start off with, and hopefully you can do that, and I will reveal the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you wrote something down. The answer, of course, is 80 divided by 2, and it's 40. Okay, you ready for the next one? What is missing from the receipt? So again, look at it carefully, and if you have looked at receipts, then it should be fairly obvious to you. So you either see them at the bottom or to the side. Okay, about to reveal the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer, of course, is a totals row. Okay, so you might get a running total, or it might be at the bottom. And then following on from that, what should the total be? Okay, if you give you a short time to work that out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's reveal the answer. So we obviously add up the 80, the 13, the 6 and the 25. Okay. Okay, here is another question. So the table shows the receipt from a fast food outlet. The question is, how much were the drinks in total? So we need to look at the receipt carefully. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that is where the drinks are, and it's obviously £1.50. How much was each sandwich? So we need to look at the sandwiches section. It's clearly 4 sandwiches were purchased. Therefore, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They were £1 each. Okay. How do you know the desserts were different? So we have the desserts at the bottom. So how do we know that the desserts were of a different variety? Okay, write something down and we will reveal the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, how do we know? So obviously we have different prices, one at £1.20 and one at £1.50. And the final, another question that you could be asked, the customer actually bought 4 drinks. How much should they now have paid? So it's total what we're interested in. So they actually bought 4 drinks. So what is the total? Okay, hope you wrote something down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's clearly 50 pence more, which is £9.60. Okay. So, as I say, it's all attention to detail. The maths isn't that difficult, really. Okay, there's one more question. So this set of data is for prices of items at an Olympic stadium. So we've got flags, hats, sunglasses, drinks and snacks. So Mark wants to buy 3 hats, 2 flags. How much does this cost him? Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I hope you wrote something down. So it's £15 for the hat, because there's 3 of them, and £6 for the flags, making £21 in total. Next one, Ted buys 2 drinks, 2 snacks, and he pays with a £5 note. How much change will he get? Okay, so about to reveal the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's £3 for 2 drinks, and it's £1 for the snacks. Okay, making a total of £4. And of course he'll get a change of £1 from his £5 note. Okay, so that was a short presentation, and we've got that is the end of the session. And just by way of summary, we've looked at reading data from tables, seen some the calculations that you could be asked to make at 11 plus and SATs, and you've been able to draw conclusions from those. Okay, so it just remains for me to say thank you very much for watching, and as always, make the plea, please like and share. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, particularly the subscribe. We need that rate to improve, please, and the watch hours as well. So do look after yourselves. The weather is improving, so I hope you will enjoy the weather. Look after yourselves. Look after others. Until the next time, I bid you farewell, goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.